to Studio One now. Insurance is one of those things that we all need but don't always spend that much time thinking about. Unfortunately, it's also something that could be quite costly, particularly if the worst happens. Let's find out a little more then from lawyer Dr. Ali Al-Jarman from Prestige Advocates. Doc, thanks so much indeed for being with us. It's very kind of you for taking time out. And insurance, it's a word we all understand, but the problem is the responsibility of that insurance. There's been some well-documented pieces in the media recently about staff not having the right kind of assurances, etc. So, in a nutshell, can you explain to us who's responsible for insurance in the workplace? Is it the employer or the member of staff?
Thanks, Tom. First of all, there is two kinds of insurance which the employer they should provide their employee. There is the first one is the professional liability insurance, and the second one is the health insurance.
Okay.
The employer, he should provide his employee about or in two kinds of insurance, which is cover all of the liabilities which has happened during their duty. And I think if they provide this kind of insurance, they can cover and they can cover any kinds of accident will happen. For example, if there is murder happen during the duty or any negligence or something will happen. Yeah.
And in that worst case scenario, if something bad does happen, who's negligible in that account? Does it become the problem of the employer, or could the staff member also be negligible?
Both of them.
Right.
Both of them actually, they will get the responsibility about the accident. Yeah.
So it's important that employees of companies are aware of the insurance that they are under.
Sure.
Yeah.
They should, when they will sign the agreements, they should know that they have some insurance that will cover their work.
And as a member of staff, you're well within your rights to ask your employee about that kind of insurance.
No, about the employer, he should provide when he will sign or when they will sign with the employee the agreement, they should provide them with this kind of insurance.
Okay, so
it will be a part of his agreement, actually.
So it's contractual.
Sure.
Okay. Sure. Let's take it to the next stage and say you're a member of a profession that you've studied long for, be it a lawyer, be it a doctor of medicine, an engineer. Sure. In such a high-pressure job such as that, if you're part of a firm per se or part of a hospital, is it also important for an individual to take out some kind of insurance themselves?
Yeah, sure. Actually, the professional liability insurance, it's very important for the professional people, as you said, doctors, lawyers, engineer, and the other kinds of professional people. Because they will cover all of the liabilities and, you know, for example, the lawyer, because he provide the clients with some consultancy or something, maybe in future he will sue the lawyer because he provide him with the wrong consultancy. And also for the doctor, if he makes some kinds of mistake or something, you know, during the operation, it will cover actually. The insurance will cover this.
People will say, though, there is a cost implication involved with this, as there is with many things. Is it also your advice to people out there to shop around for insurances? Yeah?
Sure.
Or take advice on insurance?
Sure,
yeah?
sure. It should be like this.
Because there are different kind of policies, is that right?
Yes,
yeah?
You're right.
In terms of the law per se with regards to insurance, is this something that is evolving at the moment? Because we read, of course, that the greatest efforts are being taken at the moment to ensure insurance across the board.
Actually, now only the health insurance is required regarding for the employer.
Okay.
Yeah. But in future, we hope to be the the other one, which will cover all of the liabilities, I mean the professional liability insurance.
And in terms of advice to viewers out there, they're a little bit concerned about their insurance status at the moment at work. Should they contact their HR department? Should they come straight to a firm such as Prestige Lawyers? What should be their first action?
You mean for the accident?
Yeah, if somebody is a little bit unsure about their insurance status.
Yeah, they should go for to the legal people who they provide them with the right consultancy regarding this issue.
Speak to legal.
Because
first.
it's a little bit sensitive, and they should get some right consultancy.
Yes.
Yeah.
As you very kindly have given us today as well. Some great advice from you, Dr. Ali Al-Jarman. Thank you very much indeed for being with us. Hopefully that helped for a number of the questions that came through with regards to that topic. And if you'd like to find out more, if you'd like to get in touch with Prestige Advocates, then feel free to get yourself onto our Facebook page, which is facebook.com/Studio One Live. Thank you, Doctor. We'll take a short break now. After that, plenty to look forward to.